So this question which is count days without meeting. So we are given the meeting array which include like on how many days we have meeting. So this one start from 5 and end at 7, it started 3 and it started 1 and at 3 and it started 9 and end at 10. So there is no meeting in 4th and the 8th day, so we return output s2. So for the proposed solution, what we can do is we can, so let's see. So what we can do is we can create set, the set, and then we can add every day where we are meeting. So I'll traverse in the meetings, and from 5 to 7, 7 included, I'll loop from 5 to 7 plus 1, which is 8, and I'll add those days in my set, which is 5, 6 and 7. Now again I'll traverse from 1 to 3, and I'll add 1, 2 and 3. Now again from 9 to 10 I'll add 9 and 10. So this is my set, right? Now I know there is we have total number of days is 10, and we start from 1. So now what I can do is I can again traverse from 1 to 10. 10 is included, right? And then what I can do is I can check whether that day is present in a set or not. So 1 is present, 2 is present, 3 is present, 4 is not present. So I'll add 1 to my result. So result will be, it will be 0 first. Now 4 is not present, so I'll add 1 to my result for 4. And then for 5 is present, 6 is present, 7 is present, 8 isn't present. So for 8 I'll add 1 to my result. 9 is present, 10 is present, so my output will be result. So this is a brute force solution. So let's implement this. So I will have set, and then I will traverse in my meeting. So for a comma b in meetings, so a will be my first value, which is 5, and b will be my second value, which is 7. Now what I'll do is I'll again traverse from for I in range a to b. B should be included plus 1. Now I will add this I in my set. So my set dot add I, and then after that what I can do is I'll have my result as 0, and I'll iterate from for I in range, which is 1 to number of days, so which is 10, which will be 10 plus 1 plus 1 should be included. So if I not in my set, then I will add 1 to my result. Return result. If you run this, so it will give us TLE. Let's see. It's taking so much time, so it will give us TLE. Come on. Yes, give me TLE. So now let's think about the brute force solution. So for brute force solution, what we can do. So this question is quite similar to merge interval. So it's given here merge interval. So what we can do is we're given meetings, right? So now let's sort this meeting. So sort meetings will be 1, 3 and 5 and 7 and 9 and 10. Now there is no any overlapping condition here, but we'll work through that too. So now what I can do, so there is no overlapping condition. If there was overlapping, then we have to merge that. So here what we can do is now, so we can find the number of days here. So number of days here is this first value minus this second value minus first value plus 1. So number of days here is 1 to 3. So it's second value minus first value, which is 2 plus 1, right? And here also 2 plus 1, and here also here is 1 plus 1. So total is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we can subtract with number of days we have, which is 10 minus 8, which gives us 2, right? So there was no any more like overlapping condition here. So now look at this example. Okay, so if we sort this, so sort meetings will be 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 4. So this value is less than this value. That means we have to merge that. That means the merge interval now will be 1 comma 4. Right now, how many meetings are there? In how many days there are meetings? So it is calculated by second value minus first value plus 1, which will give us 4. Now subtract with number of days we have, which is 5. So 5 minus 4 is 1. So 1 is our output. So now implement this. So now let's focus. Oh, I'll make this bigger. Okay, so we have a sort meeting sort, right? Now I'll create my array, which will be the array after merging it. So if there were any overlapping condition, so array first value will be meetings first value, or is meeting 0 index value, or meetings first value. Now I'll iterate from 1 to length of the meeting. So I'll check for overlapping condition. When there will be overlapping condition, the condition is when if meetings I first value is less than. So we also merge if the first value of this condition and the last value of this condition is also equal. So when there is equal also, we'll merge that, right? So it will be array minus 1 1. So if this is a condition, then we'll merge that. So the result will be array minus 1 1 will be max of arrays minus 1 1 and meetings I 1, right? So this is for merging when there is overlapping condition. Else what we do is in the array we open this meetings I. After merging we have to find a difference, right? So diff will be 0. So now for again a comma b in array, so diff plus equal to b minus a plus 1, and at last we return total number of days we have minus diff. So let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, it's working, so let's submit this. Yes, implemented it. Thank you. So if you need any specific question to be solved, let me know in my comment section. Thank you. So this is the whole code.